Hey guys, happy new year. It's a new decade, new beginning, new start. When you're watching this, it's new year, but we're still in December when I'm filming this. So today's video will be a Yesstyle favorite. I shop on Yesstyle pretty often, and you know, there's sometimes like a hit and miss, but all the clothing item in this video are my favorite item from Yesstyle. And if you guys are wondering to shop on Yesstyle to see which one you like and what should you get, I hope you guys find this video helpful. So without further ado, let's get on to it. So the first item I got from Yesstyle is actually what I'm wearing, which I absolutely love. It's this blue muted blue top that have like a little scrunch at the middle. I actually have two of these because I really like how it feels. It's so soft and comfy, and it's just really stylish. So that is the first item I got from Yesstyle. And also I want to make this video like really quick, so I'm gonna go through it really quick. All the items in this video are items I really like. They're all hits, so yeah. So the first item I want to show with you guys is this boyfriend ripped mom looking jeans. They fit perfectly on me. I post a picture like this on Instagram, and I think one of the comment asked where I found it. Also, all the item in this video will be listed down in the description box, so make sure you guys check it out. I just love how distressed this jean is. It's really light and it's also really good quality. That is like one thing about jeans, is it has to be good quality, and I really like how this fit on me, and it just goes with everything, you know. I'm kind of like giving up on like skinny jeans because girl, I don't do skinny jeans anymore. And then the next item I got is this cardigan. Cardigan is like going back in trend, like that 90 type of style. It's so soft. They also have other color, but I just pick up a black one, a simple black one. I'll definitely go back on their website and get more. And then the next item that I really like from Yesstyle are these cami top or tank top, whatever you guys call it. They're really good quality, and it's also like kind of cropped it. But one thing I really like about these is they fit really good on me, and it feels really nice. Like the quality is really nice. It's kind of like a rib type of material. So yeah, I just have a mauve one and then a gray one, and I think this go with like anything under. You can put this on, then a denim jacket outside, or you know, something, another layering piece. Another thing that I like from Yesstyle are their graphic tee or like basic t-shirts. I like my t-shirt kind of like oversized, kind of loose fitting on me, so I actually have a lot of t-shirts from Yesstyle. But for this video, I'm only going to show you guys my top 3 that I really like and I keep on wearing. So here they are. I just got a white one with this little, whatever this trend is called, and then yeah, it's just like a little baby. This pink one, which I share on Instagram, and then this gray one. And I'm gonna just make it really quick. These are really good quality t-shirt, and they also fit kind of like oversized. Like the sleeve is, it kind of drip down. And then the next one I got, which I haven't had a photo shoot in, is this furry jacket, hoodie. What are these called? I am losing my vocabulary. But it just says USA on it. It's so soft and comfy. I feel like a little teddy bear when I wear this. It's like a teddy jacket. There we go. It's a teddy jacket, and it also have these drawstrings at the bottom, so like you can make it like a little tight fitting. Then the next item, which I recently just got in the mail, is this cardigan. I love cardigan, and this just fits so well. I just got it in this khaki color. I'm definitely gonna go back on their website and pick up the other color as well, because I love the material of this. It's so thick and it keeps me so warm. And if you guys don't know, but like cardigan with like midi skirts are like going back in trend, or like they are the trend right now. So yeah, I really like this khaki cardigan. And then the next item I got is this corduroy button-up blouse kind of, but I wear this as a layering piece. I like how loose fitting this is, and it's somewhat oversized on me, and I just wear it as a layering piece, as you guys can see in the try on part. Then the next item I got is this maxi skirt. It's not really, what are these skirts called? Like I should know it, but I don't. I'll insert the name on the screen. I've been seeing this trend as well, like have these flower prints and you wear with a sweater, which I think looks so nice. I love this skirt. And I've been really getting into like maxi or like long skirts. Then I also picked up some dresses from Yesstyle as well. And I have a lot of dress from Yesstyle, but I'll show you guys the one I really like in this video. If you guys want a part 2, let me know, because I have way too many clothing from them. And it's just gonna be a long video if like I include all the items in one video. So this is the dress I got a while back in the summer. It's just a nice floral dress, and I think this looks really cute if you have a t-shirt inside, or you know, just wear it plain and simple. And then the next dress, which I wore for Christmas, I love this. It made me look so cozy. It keep me so warm and cozy. And it's just a blue sweater dress with this string that go with it, and it looks so nice. I don't know how to describe it, but you guys can see in the try on part. I just love this dress. Really nice quality. It keeps me so warm. It's kind of like knitted as well, which is really nice. And then the next item I got is this 2-piece set. I haven't worn this out yet, but I'm definitely gonna wear it out for like a photo shoot. I love this. It's a skirt with like a blazer. I think you can put any top inside, like a black top, white top. This set is just so nice. Like, it just makes me look like the 90s trend. I'm really into the 90s trend. And then I also got 2 more dresses from Yesstyle, which is the last item in this video. It's this floral one, which is so nice. This is more of like my summer collection. I bought like a lot of floral dress for summer, and this is definitely one of my favorite. I love the little lace detail I have going on, and it's so flowy and nice. And then I also have a white lace dress. You can wear this off shoulder or on your shoulder. It just looks really nice and very vintage type of style. So that's all the item I got from Yesstyle. Well, not really. These are more of my favorite item from Yesstyle. If you guys want a part 2, be sure to let me know down in the comment. I will be sure to make another one because I have a bunch of clothing from Yesstyle. I also have a code. I forgot about that. I have a code from Yesstyle if you guys want to use it to save some money. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and Happy New Year. I might be taking a long break soon for me to, you know, refresh. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video.